Well, here we have the Flagstaff Superlight 26 FKBS. This is the very popular model. You can see the new windshield at the front. This has the power jack, two 30-pound propane tanks, a small storage compartment here. That's what that looks like, just under the sink actually, and out of the kitchen area. This of course has a power antenna, the LED lights under the antenna, outdoor speakers. This has the new solid step aluminum stairs that travel up inside the trailer. Has the ability to bring out your television and hook it up here if you wish to do that. And comes with a barbecue which sits on that rail. Separate door into the bedroom. Outdoor shower is right here. The stabilizers are power. We have a roof ladder and preparation for a backup camera. And of course the spare tire. Additional outdoor storage is here, accessible from the outside obviously, and also from inside. This is actually underneath the bed, so it's quite a large storage area. Of course this trailer has the aluminum wheels, which is the Torflex system, warranted for 10 years. So this is a front kitchen model. As a result of that, you do have superior counter space and lots of storage. So we've got a 3-burner stove, oven, a 1.3 cubic foot microwave oven, nice big microwave oven, dual stainless steel sinks, and of course a nice window here in your kitchen working area, which makes it very pleasant. This is the table and chairs configuration. And here we have theater seating. These are recliners, and so they are both heated and have massage facilities as well. And right opposite that would be the television. Nice big television with sound bar for simulated surround sound, a charging station for your phone, the stereo system with a DVD player, and a fireplace. As you enter the trailer, immediately to your left is this closet. These shelves are removable if you want to use it as a closet, or if you need the tablet space, you have that option as well. The bathroom is large with a nice vanity, good sized sink, medicine cabinet, and of course the fully enclosed shower. And the shower does have the shower miser, the AquaView shower miser. And a foot flush toilet. So as you can see, both sets of stairs are the solid step aluminum stairs. So there's the door to the bedroom. In the bedroom we've got a bedroom slide, so lots of room. You can swing your arms, change your clothes in here, lots of room for that. And a nice big closet behind those mirrored doors, and lots of drawers underneath. And of course, as I was showing you from the outside, there's storage under the bed. Nice queen size bed accessible from both sides, and again some cupboards over the storage space over the bed, as well as 2 reading lights. And lots of ventilation. You've got windows on both sides of the bed, so you get cross ventilation, as well as the exit window here, which all would provide nice airflow in the bedroom. Well, of course, this is a Flagstaff, so it is the best trailer on the market. There are other trailers equal to this, but there's nothing better. This is a very high quality trailer, cabinetry all glued and screwed, solid wood, Corian countertops, 2 years warranty on the structure, 12 years on the roof, 20 years on the suspension system, and on it goes. We appreciate you watching this video. My name is Roger. I invite you to come and see this, and I'll be happy to give you a tour and let you touch and feel this for yourself. Thanks for watching this video.